Morning, everybody. So you guys are kind of getting me on a fun day. I actually get to do some welding instead of some programming and everything. We got to make some new scrap bins. So you get to see me probably just weld up the wheel brackets for them today. And then hopefully by the end of the week, we'll have some big frames. Our scrap bins, our new version of the scrap bins, hold around 2,500 pounds of aluminum. So with three of them, that's what, 7,500 pounds, almost 3 tons of aluminum scrap that we'll take in and get recycled. So it'll be a fun little process. You guys will mostly see time lapses of it, but it should be pretty cool.
So our scrap bins look a little bit different now. The last thing you guys saw was me putting the wheels on, but missed basically erecting these walls, making a top frame for them. So what I'm gonna do right now is hop inside, do some welding on the inside, because when we put chips in here, those chips have coolant on them. Enough coolant gets in here, it can sit pretty high. So we wanna make sure that this thing is totally sealed. After I do the welding on the inside, I'll then go over back with caulking, fill in those gaps. If there's anything else, then we'll spray it down with some flex seal as well, just to make sure that this is as totally watertight as can be, just so we don't have any leaks of coolant in our shop.